Welcome all. Today's topic is roti pachadi and it is very good with chapati. The ingredients are garlic, onion, chili, jeera and coriander. Fry them all except garlic and coriander and jeera and tomato and brinjal. First of all, you have to grind garlic, jeera and coriander. I'm doing it in my style, so it differs from other roti pachadi. This chutney or pachadi is very good with chapati or ragi ball. Ragi ball and chutney is very famous in Anantapur district. Ragi ball is also called as sangati or ragi mudda, and this chutney goes very well with this recipe. Add onion and chili and grind it. I forgot to add salt, so I added salt now. Actually, you have to add salt in the beginning. Grind it to a paste at least for 5 minutes. Add tomato one by one because you have to handle it very carefully. You should not grind so hard. If you put force, it may spill also, so be careful while grinding it. Put one by one and then grind it. It will be like this after grinding all the tomatoes. Now we'll add brinjal. You have to take out the outer cover, black one, and then put it in the grinding stone, then grind it. After grinding brinjal, it will be like this, and we have to add the main ingredient, groundnut powder. It is fried and then grounded. Sometimes using technology is very smart work, so this is the smart work I do it. This tip is given by one of our teachers. I think this is the end part and we have to do it carefully. We have to mix it by grinding. It will be nice when you're doing this. At this stage, we have to be very careful and we should not grind it very forcefully. They say old is gold, so their method is also very nice and using technology is also very nice. It's done. It's time to take it into a bowl. See the texture of the chutney or pachadi. It is too good. It is time to serve. We can decorate it with coriander leaves and onion pieces. Some people add raw onion pieces. It is also good. I like plain pachadi like this, and if you put raw onion along with dosa, it will be nice. I'm going to serve this along with chapati today, not with ragi ball or dosa, and enjoy it with chapati now. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.